50 Kilometer Hiking in Foshan is an annual event for national fitness and the entire city. Since 2015, Foshan has successfully held 7 sessions of the beautiful Foshan Moving Forward, Foshan 50 Kilometer Hiking event, which has attracted over 1 million domestic and foreign hiking enthusiasts and citizens to participate. Citizens of all ages and builders from all walks of life actively participate, demonstrating a healthy and upward spirit and unremitting pursuit of the goal of a better life by walking down to earth in Foshan, and gathering a strong spiritual force to forge ahead on a new journey. On the 23rd of March, 2024, the 50 Kilometer Hike Beautiful Foshan Forward kicked off grandly. The Chancheng Line, Shunde Line, Nanhai Line, Gaoming Line, and Sanshui Line 5 dragons gathered at the Century Lotus Sports Center, with over 110,000 hiking enthusiasts participating in this grand event. As an advocate of green living in China, Archipower Building Material Company, Limited actively responded to the government's concept of low-carbon living and green construction. We had also sent a strong team to participate in that event this year. Through participating in this event, we promote our concept of green building to the outside world. Archipower aluminum formworks are favored by customers both domestically and internationally for its lightweight, fast construction, high efficiency, and recyclability. Our projects are found throughout China, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Dubai, and more. We are not only transmitting building materials, but also a green lifestyle attitude. Let's watch Archipower Building Material family's wonderful performance.